Hello all, Jamie here from Craftmania, and it is that time again. Let's do a little bit of unboxing, shall we? Now today I've already gone ahead and opened the box for speed because nobody wants to see me struggle with scissors. So what's in today's box, I hear you wonder? Oh, it's a bit dramatic. Should we get rid of them? In today's box we have got a Crafts 2 delivery. Now this isn't something you normally see. I love the fact they recycle newspapers. I just think it's a great idea. They've done it for years. We've dealt with Crafts 2 for 20 plus years and they've always had that same policy, which is just brilliant because it means that they're helping the environment and helping us get our crafty goodies. So what's in this one then? So this one's mostly a top-up order. So we have got Nelly stamps coming back in stock. Now, by the time you're watching this video, all of the items we're showing you now will be back on the website. So I'll try and tell you if they're back in stocks or if they're new in stocks as we go through it. But either way, it's nice for you to see what's come back in the door. So a few VersaFine Claire ink pads. I always like the look of this one. I haven't got the pine cone one yet, but it's one I'd like to add. I love a grey ink pad. They're always a beautiful one to have. Very nice for soft, delicate lines. Then paper crimpers. We have had a huge rush on paper crimpers really recently. And we've got straight ones and we've got wavy ones. And we've also got the new larger ones from Hunky Dory. But these ones are really inexpensive. And I know they've got 10% off as well. Talking of 10% off, do you know that on Craftmania's website, there is 3,668 items with 10% off. It's a huge amount, isn't it? Then there's other offers, but that's just the ones with 10% off. So have a little look around in lots of the sections if you haven't already. This is one of my true favourite stamps from Nelly. I absolutely love this lighthouse. And of course, we've got our lovely deer here too. A little bit of foam tape because let's be honest, we can never have enough types of foam tape, so we'll dig through those. We've got some little stamp presses. These are brilliant. They've got little spongy feet on them. So pop your stamp on, find where you want it to go, push down on it. Nice, quick, simple, great for doing backgrounds. A little bit more forgiving than a block because you can at least let it spring up, see what's stamped, what hasn't, and then go back in if needed. Then we have got some glue erasers, very important. We have got some brads, a little bit odd, they're from Woodware. Long story there, don't ask. But Woodware brads. Then we've got some glue erasers. Then we have got another one of our magic tools to rub over the top of our stamp presses to make sure we get a good impression. And this trolley isn't big enough. I'm starting to regret the choice of location to film already. These are gorgeous. These are little plastic domes and they come in clear as well as rainbow, but these are the rainbow ones. So again, lots of colours in there for you to stick on with some clear glue, make some lovely effects. We're going to have to go down the shelf. I've overestimated or underestimated the space we need for this. Then we've got some bow makers. These are back in stock. These are Crafts 2 bow makers. We actually do 3 or 4 different types of bow makers, but these ones are a really nice size and of course come with your pegs and again, great value. That's one of the things I love about Crafts 2 is their price points, especially on their own brand products, are always really, really reasonable. Then we have got some anti-static pads coming from Crafts 2 as well. We have got some pliers. Now these are great for when you're making your own tags. We have got some tweezers too. And these are always really popular. Little tiny daubers for applying your glue. Great for putting glue on little delicate, intricate areas without having to put big blobs in places. Then we move in. It's a big old delivery this, isn't it? You might think one box, not going to be a lot, but oh no, no, no. Stays on black ink, a true essential. We all need that one. Then we have got, more VersaFine Claire, cheeky red ones hiding in the box. Then we're going to some John Next Door dies. So these ones are Christmas lantern dies, which are now back in stock. I know a lot of places stop ordering Christmas in January, but oh no, 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 Craftmania does not. Why stop ordering Christmas when we create the Christmas all year round? So a few John's Christmas dies back in. Then these are new. These are brand new press cut dies. Look at that beautiful pattern. This is a card maker collection circles die set. Again, 10% off recommended retail, and they are going to be in the new section for you when you head onto the website. These two will be joining them in the new website, a new section in the website, sorry. These are our clear acrylic blocks with finger shapes to actually make them easy to hold. And there's a couple of those coming, so we could have a little look at them because I fancied the look of those. Then there is some Nelly embossing folders. Now these ones are traditional 2D ones, and then there are some 3D ones. Valentine's Day is not far away, so having that dinky little heart is going to be super cute for Valentine's. And of course, weddings and anniversaries. Then we've got some embossing tools hiding out in the bottom of the box. Now this is back in stock at Craft 2. We've waited a while for this. This is their version of coconut white, but it's got a lovely linen texture to it. So that will be in the back in stock section of the website. So will the new press cut dies, they are back as well. So will the dual pickups, those again are returning in stock. So are, oh, can we get them? The magic mats from John, these are lovely. Let's see if we can give you a little flash of one of those. One of their mats, as you can see, they're coming back in stock, they've just sold out. Then at the bottom, oh, we might have to dig. Now this is going to seem a bit odd. When I told Karen here, she was like, what do you mean you've got lots of new peel-offs? We have been inundated with requests for peel-offs. So we've gone a little bit bonkers. Look at this little lot. Now I know you're not going to be able to see them all, but there is over, I believe, if I remember rightly, I was part to this order, so I should know this. I believe there is over 100 different types of peel-offs, some returning, some brand new in stock. Peel-offs have a great use. You know, they really are an essential. They do cover so many uses. They cover so many times when we might not have a dye or a stylistic item for that area. And there's a lot of techniques we can do with them. Even including, and I don't know if you've ever tried this, popping them down, inking over the top of them, and then removing them. So you're actually using them as a stencil, not as a peel-off. Can be great to use up your peel-offs if you need to. But of course, we like to cater for all styles of crafting and all abilities. So you're going to check these out in the new section of the website. There is literally, I don't even know if 100's right. There is loads of them. Look, let me stand them up this way for you so you can see just what I mean. There is absolutely loads of designs covering text, covering Christmas, covering borders, corners, the whole lot. And those again are going to be on the website. And then at the very bottom of the box, come on in, you're going to see a couple more little memento ink pads and an A3 cutting mat, which is brand new. And that is how much stuff Crafts 2 can fit into one box for us here at Craftmania. So if you would like to order any of these goodies, head on to the website www.craftmaniacraft.com. When you're there, if you spend over £15, you're going to receive free UK P&P. And if you are watching this from anywhere in the world, of course we'll send it to you. We are that lovely. Your shipping then is going to be capped at just £10. If we find your shipping cheaper, we will refund the difference for you. If it costs more than that, then actually here at Craftmania, we will pay that for you. So the most you will pay is £10 to receive these goodies anywhere in the world. These are joining over 10,000 items on the website. So go and have a little look around and see all of your favourite brands in one place. If you have any questions, as always, don't hesitate to reach out. If you want to know more about the shipping and how that works, then check out the customer service tab when you land on the website. There will, of course, be a link to the website in the comment section of this video. But again, any questions, don't hesitate to reach out. Thank you for watching today's unboxing video, and I'm sure we'll be back soon with another one to tease you with a little bit more. Bye for now.